So in this Sitefinity Minute, we're going to discuss why it's important to partner with certified Sitefinity developers for the implementation and maintenance of a website that's built on Sitefinity CMS. So first, what makes developers Sitefinity certified? So some web development companies may claim they are Sitefinity developers because they built a few websites on the platform. And although experience is necessary, to become a Sitefinity certified developer, you need to take certification courses and an exam from Progress. Now, there's two types of development courses and certifications available. Now, the first course that a developer would take is the Foundations of Sitefinity Development. Now, this will prepare them for the Sitefinity certification exam. Now, developers with an advanced certification study course material that covers much more complex development practices, and they also have to pass an advanced Sitefinity certification exam. Now let's get back to why it's important for you to work with a Sitefinity partner that has these developer certifications. Now the first thing is it's important because website platforms are different, and the development framework can be different too. So hiring a developer who doesn't understand your content management system and the development framework that it's built on is kind of like hiring a plumber to fix your electrical issues. Now, working with a web development company that has developers who are Sitefinity certified can truly make the difference between a poor website implementation and a successful one. Now, these certified developers understand all the features of Sitefinity, so they know how to do things like extend your website's capability by integrating it with other business systems and tools, and also how to customize the built-in functionality of your CMS. Now, at Smooth Fusion, we not only have over a decade of experience with Sitefinity, but we also have a great team of Sitefinity certified developers, and several of them have advanced Sitefinity certifications. Now, if you're looking for a web development partner that has experience with Sitefinity and who has developers who are certified in the platform, then contact us to learn more about what it would look like to work with our team. Or you can go to the Progress Partner Locator to find a list of Sitefinity certified development partners. And that's the Sitefinity Minute.